Mind-blowing tools that will surprise you. Did you know there are more active cell phones in the world than there are people? Yep, we're talking about over 8 billion mobile devices. But hey, that's not what we're here for today. We're here to explore some game-changing gadgets that'll have you saying, "Why didn't I know about this sooner?" From tools that'll make your daily life a breeze to tech that's straight up futuristic. In this episode of Best Cool Tech, we've got a lineup that's gonna blow your socks off. And hey, remember to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button. With that said, let's kick things off with our first jaw-dropping tool. Number 1. Levitating Bluetooth Speaker. A speaker that floats in the air using magnetic levitation while delivering high-quality audio. It's like having a party in a levitating ball. With its 3D stereo sound, this speaker's got beats behind, above, and below. Just plug and play, fam, easy peasy. Plus, it's got that triple frequency magic for bass that's deep and highs that pop. Lit, right? Number 2. Transparent OLED TV. TVs that are transparent when turned off, blending into the surroundings and displaying vivid visuals when in use. Transparent OLED screens are the future, no cap. These screens are all about that high transparency, making images pop without a bulky backlight. And peep this, they're thin AF, like 7.6 millimeters thin. No backlight is needed, so they're perfect for sleek setups. Get ready for a crystal clear view, fam. Number 3. Smart Mirror. A mirror that can display information such as time, weather, news, and fitness data while you get ready in the morning. Easy peasy smart home control for everyone. Brilliant touchscreen panels with built-in Alexa replace boring light switches, putting control at your fingertips. Say goodbye to countertop chaos. Alexa's in your walls now. Easy installation, a secure 2.4 GHz network, and top-notch tech. They've got you covered. Make your home brilliant. Number 4. Augmented Reality Glasses. AR glasses that overlay digital information in the real world, providing immersive experiences and practical applications. Your gateway to a world of endless possibilities, easily adjustable for the perfect fit. These glasses offer an unparalleled visual experience with crystal clear details and vibrant colors. Immerse yourself in captivating audio and explore the world like never before. It's like having a travel adventure through your glasses. Number 5. Robotic Lawnmower. Meet the Gardena SILENO Minimo, the brainy landscaper for your yard. With patented tech and Bluetooth Easy App control, it ditches the noisy hassle, expertly navigating tight corners. Autonomous lawnmower that uses AI to navigate and maintain your lawn without human intervention. Safety's a priority with boundary wire and collision sensors. Rain or shine, it'll sculpt any lawn shape, even 35% slopes. DIY setup is a breeze. Everything's in the box. Number 6. 3D Food Printer. Introducing the Felix Switchhead Food 3D Printer, your culinary canvas. With dual print heads, you can load 2 pastes and merge them seamlessly into mouth-watering creations. A device that can print edible food, allowing for intricate and customizable culinary creations. The genius switch mechanism lets you swap materials in seconds, unlocking limitless design possibilities for your edible masterpieces. Get ready to 3D print your culinary dreams. Number 7. Foldable Electric Bike. Zoom through life with the Juntos electric bike. Powered by a beastly 750-watt motor and Shimano Altus gears, it's got it all. A front basket, a rear rack, beefy off-road tires, and a mega headlight. Want more? A compact electric bicycle that can be folded for easy storage and transportation. Opt for the 17.4 ampere-hour battery to cruise up to 110 miles. Plus, it's sleek, sturdy, and can handle up to 330 pounds. Conquer any terrain with ease. Number 8. Solar-powered backpack. Adventure-ready and tech-savvy, our solar-powered backpack is your go-to companion. Keep your gadgets juiced up with 14 watts of solar power via a standard USB port. It's got pockets galore, room for laptops, tablets, snacks, and more. Plus, the rugged design can handle the toughest conditions, ensuring your devices stay safe while you explore. Stay charged on the go. Wow, folks, that gadget just blew our minds, didn't it? But guess what? We've got even more mind-blowing tech coming up. And remember, subscribing is the easiest way to keep your mind blown with the latest tech. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's dive into the next jaw-dropping invention. Number 9. Smart Water Bottle. Meet the Hydrate Spark Pro Lite, the smartest water bottle you'll ever own. It reminds you to stay hydrated and tracks your water intake, syncing with smartphone apps. It's got an LED sensor puck that reminds you to sip and tracks intake via Bluetooth. Made from lightweight, BPA-free Triton plastic, it's durable and odor-proof. Customize colors and glow patterns via the app. Plus, you never lose it with app tracking and fast charging. Stay hydrated and healthy with personalized daily goals. Hydrate like a pro. Number 10. Drone with Follow Me feature. Introducing the Contixo F28 Pro, your go-to HD camera and FPV drone. It autonomously follows you, capturing aerial footage without the need for a dedicated pilot. With a 4K Full HD camera, 1-key flying modes, GPS control, and 2 rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 60 minutes of flight time that can capture stunning aerial photos and videos. Portable, foldable, and packed with features, it's the perfect gift for kids, adults, and beginners. Get ready to soar. Number 11. Holographic Fan Projector. A projector that creates 3D holographic images for presentations or entertainment. With 800 by 480p resolution and 224 HD LED beads, it projects captivating visuals that appear to float in the air. Easy software customization and wide compatibility enhance its appeal for showcasing products and events. Future of tech indeed. Number 12. Biometric Locks. Door locks that use facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, or iris recognition for enhanced security. Secure your home, office, or rental property with multiple unlocking methods: Pen Genie keypad, fingerprint reader, smartphone app, voice control, QR code, or physical key. Enjoy quick access, real-time monitoring, and auto-locking features. Easy DIY installation, rekeying capability, and a solid warranty make it a top choice. Number 13. Invisible Laptop Stand. A portable and nearly invisible stand that elevates your laptop for ergonomic use. Designed for most laptops, it holds up to 18 pounds and fits laptops from 11.6 inches to 15.6 inches. Ultra portable at only 1.62 ounce, it's perfect for your laptop bag. This slim design elevates your laptop, improving airflow, preventing overheating, and reducing noise. Number 14. Wireless Earbuds Translator. Earbuds that can translate spoken language in real time, making communication in foreign languages easier. They support a whopping 144 languages with lightning-fast translation in just 0.2 seconds. Choose from 3 modes for different situations and enjoy real-time translations face-to-face. These earbuds are compatible with multiple systems and deliver immersive stereo sound. Experience seamless global conversations with ease. And there you have it, folks, our list of mind-blowing gadgets that will leave you saying, wow! But the surprises don't end there. We're always on the hunt for the coolest tech, so make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell ringing like an enthusiastic tech fan. Also, if any of these gadgets gave you some serious gadget envy, don't forget to hit that like button to show your love. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay amazed by the tech world.